Hello, everyone, and welcome. I had no other idea really how to start this, so any business. This was my Christmas present. One of them, out of many that I will be partially showcasing soon, as some of them would make great content for the channel. And I don't really know what to say. I mean, it's a 71 240Z, no engine, no trans. It is a little rough, but still fairly solid. Sat in a field for probably 10, or maybe not a field, sat in someone's backyard, probably 10 years. I think it has a little bit of Bondo. It was repainted at one point. It has a little bit of rust in places like that, but I can patch that. It doesn't have a hood, and this other fender is in the car. I haven't even dug into it yet. I pretty much, yesterday, so December 24th, I was kind of, doing whatever, and, I'll start a little bit earlier than that. It was probably 2-3 weeks ago, and I went to help load up some powder coating stuff on the back of a truck, and I looked across this field, and it was like an in-town field, and I see about that portion of the car from 100 and so feet away, and I'm like, it looks like a 240 by the taillights, and I'm like, I think I know the guy that knows who owns that. So I talked to him. I'm like, would you figure out what he would do with that? Well, yesterday, or the 23rd, it was like, what do you want for Christmas? And I'm like, I want that Datsun. And they were like, okay. So the 24th rolls along, and I look outside. I kind of, intuition. There's something outside. Look outside. Here's a white little Ford pulling this on a tow dolly, that has front wheels on the dolly. And I'm like, there's a Datsun outside. And lo and behold, there it is. I'm still unsure what I'm going to do with it, okay? I have 3 other projects at the moment, and I haven't even dug into this yet. However, I've looked around in it a little bit. It was originally green, and yes, it's because, I know that because, some of that door's blue. There's the fender, there's the cowl, there's the bumper under there, you can see the side of it, and so on. Now, take this with a grain of salt. The odometer is a 5-digit odometer. However, it says 1,440 miles. So, who knows? Yeah. Other than that, the dash isn't too bad. It does seem to have some rust in the floors, but I know that there are quite a bit of aftermarket parts that you can find for the floors and everything. I haven't even dug into this yet, because I don't really know where to start. I mean, I could either start to get it running with an engine and stuff that I don't have, or I could start working on body work with some things that I do have. But I just wanted to introduce everyone to the 240, and it's a 71. I think it might be technically a 72. It was built in September, but I need to think of a name for this because I have the green, I have the two other cars and I have the Silverado, but what should the name for this be? Should it be Original Z? Should it be, yeah. And I think what I'm sort of going to go with is maybe an original restoration sort of thing. But, it's still up in the air. I mean, I'd also thought to put an L4 in here that was boosted, which, great idea, but kind of a lot of work, not too much output. Yeah, I'm still up in the air about a lot of things because there are a couple other things I need to finish first. Please do let me know what you think. It's gonna be fun because I know a lot of people hate on the 280ZXs, but now it appears that I have both an S30 and S130, two of them. So let me know, leave a comment down below. This used to be a manual car, and I would like to keep it that way. I am not a big fan of V8 swaps, so let me know. And sooner than later, we will find out if this is completely pretty good, or if it's going to be, hole in the floor, well, multiple holes in floors, body panels that are rusted through, Bondo, who knows? And I think it'll be fun for everyone. So please, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a comment down below what you think I should do. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe. This is going to be huge, and everything else on here will too. Thank you so much for watching. I think it's a pretty solid car. I think it's a great platform, as this specific car, not necessarily the S30 chassis, but I think it's a great platform to work on and to have fun with, and I hope that you will be sticking around to see where it goes from here. Thank you very much for watching, and Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.